Welcome to Asharfa English.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where do you live?
I live in Canada.
How old are you?
I am 22 years.
Are you a student?
No, I am not now.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
What is your hobby?
I love reading good books.
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy soft music.
Can you play guitar?
No, but I love listening.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook every day.
What do you cook?
Mostly rice, curry, and pasta.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love cheese pizza.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, but only sometimes.
What's your favorite drink?
I like cold lemon juice.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, but only with sugar.
What time do you wake?
I wake up at 7.
When do you sleep?
I sleep around 11 nightly.
What's your favorite season?
I love the winter season.
Do you like rain?
Yes, it feels very peaceful.
Can you swim well?
I'm still learning.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I learned last year.
Do you drive daily?
No, I use public transport.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, I do.
Can you speak English?
Yes, but not fluently.
Are you learning Spanish?
Not right now.
Have you traveled abroad?
No, not yet in life.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring places.
Have you visited zoo?
Yes, many times with family.
Do you live with family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you have siblings?
I'm an only child.
Are you married now?
No, I am still single.
Do you want to marry?
Yes, but not so soon.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
Do you read newspapers?
I read news online.
Do you like reading news?
Yes, I like world news.
What phone do you use?
I use a Samsung phone.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a laptop?
No, I don't.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Just for calls.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, shopping makes me happy.
What clothes do you like?
I like simple and comfy.
Do you wear makeup daily?
No, only for special days.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch them often.
What kind of movies?
I like action and drama.
Who's your favorite actor?
I don't have one.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, on weekends usually.
What's your favorite show?
Too many to pick.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I still watch some.
Do you go to gym?
No, I exercise at home.
Do you walk daily?
Just on weekends.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing badminton.
Which sport do you watch?
I often watch football games.
Who is your favorite player?
Too many to name.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I play chess sometimes.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I paint in free time.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, roses are my favorite.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats a lot.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have one cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Snowy White.
Do you like dogs too?
Yes, but I prefer cats.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am very scared.
Do you go to parties?
I don't like crowds.
Do you drink soft drinks?
Yes, but not every day.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, once or twice weekly.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes and bananas.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots and spinach.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
What do you eat daily?
Bread, eggs, or sometimes oats.
Do you make your food?
Yes, I cook it myself.
Do you eat outside often?
No, only on weekends mostly.
Do you like rice dishes?
No, I don't.
Can you make pasta?
Yes, my family loves it.
Do you like sweet dishes?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try my best.
What time do you eat dinner?
Usually around 8 o'clock.
Do you take lunch early?
Yes, at 1 in afternoon.
What's your weekend routine?
I clean, read, and rest.
Do you visit friends often?
Yes, every 2 or 3 weeks.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, but just a few close.
Are you friendly and kind?
Yes, I try to be.
Are you a quiet person?
Yes, I talk very little.
Do you get angry easily?
No, I stay calm mostly.
Are you a patient person?
Yes, I wait without stress.
Are you afraid of dark?
Only when alone.
Do you like horror movies?
No, I avoid scary stuff.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe that.
Do you read before sleep?
Yes, I read short stories.
Do you use alarm clock?
I wake up without one.
Do you use a calendar?
Yes, for meetings and tasks.
Are you good at planning?
Yes, I plan each day.
Do you set daily goals?
Only on busy days.
Are you organized at work?
Yes, I like everything neat.
Are you always on time?
Sometimes I'm late.
Do you meet deadlines easily?
Yes, I never miss deadlines.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I manage stress calmly.
What kind of work suits you?
Creative and writing-related jobs.
Are you comfortable in meetings?
Yes, I listen and speak.
Do you like giving ideas?
Yes, I love brainstorming time.
Can you write formal emails?
Not yet, but I want to learn.
Can you follow instructions?
Yes, I follow them exactly.
Do you take feedback well?
Yes, it helps me improve.
Are you confident when speaking?
Yes, but still practicing more.
Are you shy in interviews?
No, I try to stay confident.
Can you work in groups?
Yes, teamwork is very helpful.
Can you lead a team?
Yes, if needed, I can.
Do you respect other opinions?
Yes, I value everyone's views.
What do you value most?
Honesty and respect in people.
What's your biggest achievement?
I topped my final semester.
Are you active on LinkedIn?
Yes, I update it monthly.
What kind of books you read?
I like self-help and fiction.
What inspires you the most?
Hardworking women inspire me.
What makes you happy?
Good talks and peaceful evenings.
What makes you sad?
Fake smiles, broken promises.
What's your strength in life?
I never give up easily.
What's your life motto?
Keep learning, keep growing daily.
Do you enjoy public speaking?
Not yet, but I'm learning.
Do you enjoy helping others?
Yes, helping makes me happy.
Do you like to teach?
Yes, I love sharing knowledge.
What subjects do you teach?
English, arts, and basic science.
Do you want to study more?
Yes, maybe a foreign degree.
Would you like to travel?
Yes, I want to see Europe.
What country would you visit?
I want to visit Turkey.
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I learn from YouTube.
Do you like online classes?
Yes, I find them flexible.
Are you interested in tech?
Yes, but not very advanced.
Do you use online banking?
Yes, it saves a lot time.
What's your favorite app?
I like Pinterest the most.
Do you follow celebrities online?
Yes, some fashion influencers too.
Do you make video content?
No, but maybe in future.
Do you like English speaking?
Yes, I want to be fluent.
Do you think English is hard?
No, it just takes practice.
Do you want to teach English?
Yes, maybe someday I will.
Why are you learning English?
For job and global skills.
Can you help others learn?
Yes, I help friends sometimes.
Do you want to speak fluently?
Yes, that's my biggest goal.
What helps you speak better?
Listening and repeating helps me.
Do you like early mornings?
Yes, they feel fresh always.
What do you do weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 8 glasses.
Do you enjoy long drives?
Yes, especially in good weather.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, it always brings success.
What is your favorite day?
Sunday is my favorite day.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it weekly.
What time is your lunch?
I eat lunch at 1.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.